For today's video, I am going to be talking about the Myotronics BNS-40. This is a at-home tensing unit specifically for those with TMD. I have been dealing with TMD issues for about a year now, so I figured this video might be helpful. I'm going to share with you about this device and also show you how to use it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is the only FDA approved tensing unit that is safe to be used on the face and for TMD. So if you have seen tensing units on Amazon, those are not safe to use on the face. Don't use them. They can actually be dangerous. This one is actually made with a very low frequency to make sure that it is safe to use on the face and specifically on the TMJs. Obviously, this is what the device looks like. This is a medical grade device, so it is very expensive. I purchased this because I have just been wanting to try anything that I can to feel better. The TMD dentist that I'm going to has kind of a larger version of this that has even more attachments to it, but this is something that I can use for at-home use. This does require a prescription though, from your TMD dentist or whoever is treating you for TMD. This is battery operated, so very simple to replace the battery whenever you need to. And like I mentioned, this is an ultra low frequency muscle stimulator. This device is going to help to relax the oral facial muscles that often contribute to TMD symptoms, and it can help to provide immediate relief for some and relief over time for others. It also can help to just pave the way for overall healing for long-term treatment plans. So for me, I am also using an orthotic to help put my jaw in its optimal alignment and in its most relaxed position, and using this in a relatively consistent manner, or just relatively consistently, this can help to kind of just speed my journey along with my healing and help me along my healing journey. So this is extremely user-friendly and easy to use. There's not a lot of buttons, so it's not like it's going to be some difficult device to learn how to use. It's super easy. And then you have got your 3 attachments here, which I will talk a little bit more about how to use in a moment. But also something to note about this and what it does is it helps to enhance blood circulation, which can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. It can also help to increase mandible range of motion, which plays a vital role in treatment, specifically those that are using an oral appliance like I am, an orthotic, to put the jaw in optimal alignment. So you can use this daily to manage TMD symptoms, but you don't have to use it every single day, but you can. It is safe to use every day. Obviously, you would want to use it as much as your TMD dentist tells you to use it. In summary, what this does is this helps to relax the muscles in the face and the cervical and upper shoulder muscles. This treats TMD dysfunction and associated pain. It helps relieve symptoms associated with muscle spasm. It increases local blood circulation and increases mandible range of motion. So now let's get into how exactly to use this. So again, it's super easy to use. Also, this is the little carry case that it comes in, which is really nice. You can just store it in there. It comes in a nice carry case. And then this is the box that it came in. It comes with everything that you need. Also, you do have to purchase the electrodes separately. So that is just something to know. If you do decide to purchase this, you want to make sure that you get the electrodes, because if you don't have them, you're not going to be able to use it. This is what the electrode packets look like. So you actually get 2 of them, which is nice. It comes with a lot, which I was happy about because this is also pricey, which I'll talk about the price at the end. So this is what the electrodes look like. They're little sticky electrodes that you stick onto your face and the back of your neck. So you're going to put one on your left TMJ, one on your right TMJ, and then one on the center of the back of your neck right below the hairline. So that is where you're going to place each of these. And then as far as setting it up, you put the black attachment on the left TMJ, green on the right TMJ, and then red on the back of the neck. When you put this on, you do want to make sure that your face and your neck are completely bare. You don't have any moisturizer on. You want to make sure that the electrodes are going to be able to stick well. After you have it all set up on your face, then you just turn on the device and you want to make sure that balance is set to the middle, and then slowly turn the amplitude up until your lower jaw is bouncing. That means that all of the face muscles are activated, and that's all that you need. And then you want to make sure that you open your mouth slightly and have your tongue resting on the top of your mouth. Let your jaw hang, but don't let your teeth tap. My TMD dentist explains that this is like a deep massage for your face muscles. And you also want to make sure that you stay hydrated. So make sure to drink water before you use this and then also after you use this, but of course don't get water near it. You don't want to get the device wet. So then just close your eyes and relax. You do want to use this for at least 45 minutes, but no more than an hour. Now, because I did want to use this every single day, my TMD dentist actually specifically told me to just use it for 25 minutes a day, but I ended up not really sticking to using it every single day. So what I ended up doing is I just use it a few times a week, or if I'm really good about it, I try to do it every other day. So if I'm doing it like that and not every single day, I do use it for 45 minutes. Obviously, use it for as long as your TMD dentist tells you to use it for, but typically they do say to use it for at least 45 minutes because that's about how long it takes for your muscles to fully relax, and you're going to get the best results when you use it for that long. And when I go to my TMD dentist, that's how long they have me use the tensing unit that they have. So then let's talk about price point. Again, this is a medical grade device. It's very expensive, and this is the only safe tensing unit to use on the face. So yeah, it's expensive. So the BNS-40, the price point when I got it, I think it should stay the same, but when I got it, it was $890. I know, it's very expensive. It's an investment, but if you're struggling and you're in pain, it might be something that you're open to. That's why I got it. I really just wanted to be able to do everything that I could do to help me get better and heal and feel better. And then also the Myotronics electrodes. These are $88.82. Now, Dr. Mystery, she is a TMD dentist. She makes a lot of videos on YouTube talking about TMD. Her videos have been really helpful to me. She actually does have a discount code with Myotronics for 10% off. I will put that code in the description box below. I don't get anything if you use that code, but I used that code. It was great. It helped me save a little bit of money. You know, 10% off, like $900 something is very helpful. It took $97.88 off of my order, so that was great. Hey, basically $100, it's still great. So it basically gave me the electrodes for free, and you do get 2 packs of electrodes. I've had this for a while now and I haven't even opened the second pack yet. You can reuse these as well. So it does come with a bunch of these in the bag. So let me kind of show you what it looks like. So you get a bunch of them in there. But you can reuse them. So it's not like you have to toss this every single time that you use it. So after I use them, I will just take them off of my face and I'll put them back on here. So save this little part. I'll just put it back on here and put it back in this bag so I can use it again. And you can use them several times, basically until they aren't sticky anymore. But yeah, so how to use it is very, very easy. I hope that demonstration and description was helpful for you. So then how do you get it? So again, you do have to get a prescription from your TMD dentist or whoever is treating you for TMD. And then once you get the prescription, you can just email that prescription to Myotronics. Their email is info@myotronics.com. You can't just go to their website and buy it because you do have to have a prescription. You just email them your prescription and then they will email you back, and then they will give you a link to purchase it. Just let them know that you want to get the BNS-40 and then also the Myotronics electrodes. So they will send you the link to purchase it, and then you can purchase it. And then again, if you do want to get it, make sure to use the code Dr. Mystery for 10% off because that is really helpful. It's still expensive, but hey, it's helpful. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you're on your TMD journey, I wish you the best of luck, sending you love and prayers. It's a long journey. It can be a very difficult journey, but hopefully this can help give you some relief and help you on your healing journey. If you do have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you are interested in just seeing more of my TMD healing journey, I have been making some videos sharing my journey. Definitely check out my TMJD healing journey playlist. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future and you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.